The Northern Patagonia fly fishing region around Junín de los Andes is internationally renowned. Rivers such as the Chimehuín, and Malleo have made this location world famous. Spring Creek Lodge is at the epicenter and offers guests the most uniquely flexible and diverse programs available anywhere in the area. Spring Creek Lodge offers daily float trips on all of these areas, 4 major rivers, walk and wade fishing on smaller streams, and sight casting with surface patterns on several beautiful glacial lakes. Our deluxe river camps allows guests to experience the uniqueness of multi-day floats without sacrificing the comforts of the lodge. A gourmet menu featuring both traditional and international cuisine will delight even the most discerning palate. Wine tastings and entertainment round out the experience while you view the stunningly beautiful Lanín Volcano. An unparalleled excursion program will please not only outdoor adventurers but also those searching for more leisurely activities. Having the ability to combine these activities with world-class trout fishing makes Spring Creek Lodge the perfect choice for families and couples in search of a most memorable holiday.